Hope you all are fine. I am Karima Begum, science teacher, Palloti School. Now we are discussing some things. Okay. What is this one? This is a plant. This is a plant. What is this one? This is a piece of chalk. This is a piece of chalk. Is there any difference in between them? Is there any difference? Say anybody? Yes, there is so much of difference. That is, the plant requires water, carbon dioxide, atmosphere, air, etc. The piece of chalk does not require anything. Is it or not? Yes. Now, our topic is living things and non-living things. Our topic is living things and non-living things. What are living things? First we will discuss about the living things. What are living things? Living things, the things which have life in them. The things which have life in them are called living things. For example, human beings, plants, animals, etc. The things which have life in them are called living things. For example, human beings, plants, animals, etc. Here, things which have life in them are called living things. They can grow, breathe and reproduce. For example, human beings, animals and plants. See here the pictures here. Human beings, animals, plants. Now we are discussing some features of living things. What are the some features? See here, some features of living things. All living things move. All living things move. All living things grow. All living things need food. All living things breathe. All living things feel. All living things reproduce. All living things die. Once again, the features of living things are: all living things move. All living things grow. All living things need food. All living things breathe. All living things feel. All living things reproduce. All living things die. Now we are discussing some features of living things. All living things move. All living things move. Living things move from one place to another place on their own for food, shelter and safety. For example, human walks, runs with help of legs. Insects and birds fly. Fish swim and dogs and cats walk. Have you observed? Are you walking on your legs or not? Yes, we are walking on our legs. The dogs walks on legs. Okay. Here see the picture. Birds fly. Fish swims. Horse runs. Humans walk. On the land animal. On the land, the cheetah is the fastest land animal with speed of 110 to 120 kilometers per hour. Do you know that? The cheetah is the fastest land animal with a speed of 110 to 120 kilometers per hour. Have you observed? The plants also show their movements. When the air blows up, the plants move, shows their movement on their pods. For example, a sunflower always turns towards the sun. The leaves of a touch-me-not plant close when they are touched. See the picture. Sunflower turns towards the sun. The leaves of touch-me-not plant close when touched. In the feature of living things, all living things grow. Have you observed? A puppy grows into a dog. A kitten grows into a cat. All living things grows in size and change their shape. For example, a little puppy grows into a dog. A kitten grows into a cat. A small cat is called as kitten. This is a kitten. Kitten grows into a cat. A baby grows up to be a boy. Have you observed? A baby grows into a boy grows into an adult grows into an old man. A baby grows into a boy grows into an adult grows into an old man. Have you seen a small plants at your house? When you bow a seed in a ground, the seed grows into a small plant. A small plant grows into a big plant. A big plant grows into a tree. See the picture. A seed grows into a small plant. A small plant grows into a big plant. A big plant grows into a big tree. Okay. This is our class. Now, and the feature we are discussing about here, that is, all living things need food. If you feel, would you feel anytime hungry? Yes, that is, you are hungry, that you need food. See here, all living things need food to live and grow. Animals get their food from plants and other animals. For example, cow eats grass, lion eats other animals, and monkey eats fruits. Green plants make their food on their own with the help of air and water and sunlight. Air and water and sunlight.